Hi there, this is our John Heine 203A Series 3 inclinable C-frame stamping press. It's 30 tonne, came out of a working situation. Someone's spent quite a bit of time on it over the years, given it a really nice paint job, added some nice Festool pneumatic control systems with a few safety features. It's got a variable speed controller on it, and some guarding, a remote foot pedal there. Someone's fitted a really nice remote, really nice brake there, pneumatic brake, as opposed to the old style. And also a couple of pneumatic valves here driven off cams. Two of them are pneumatic, which go to outlets here for running bits and pieces, and one of them is electrical as well, with switching. So there's three switches there, two pneumatic, one 240 volts. Someone's fitted a wee fluoro light in the back, and then that nice pneumatic ram that works in combination with the remote foot pedal. The guarding on it is missing the little grate bits that go between, but all the frames there are ready for that mesh just to be attached. It's got the feature it has to be down for the remote to successfully engage, and also it's got a feature on the side here which you can take out or to disable or enable the use of the machine as a safety feature as well. It's got the counter there. I see the paint's just come off that a little bit. It looks in good condition all up here. I see on the bed here, one of the in the wee clamping tee is a little bit come away, a bit of damage there. I've got the emergency stop up the front. And it's got a manual oiling system on it, which feels to be operating nicely on the back there. Now notice someone's taken the inclinable thread and gear system off it for manually inclining it either way. Someone has taken that off, so the new owner, if they did want to change that angle, would have to do it manually instead of on the crank handle as originally it would have been designed to do. The only thing that I noticed on this in regards to anything, there is that little bit of damage on that T-slot in the bed, and this is an adjustable one. The eccentric bronze bush bearing, etc., that's adjustable up in here, comes in two halves, and one of the halves on the side here has got a couple of little bits of damage on it, so I've taken some photos of that. I imagine that it'll still be operating fine, but yeah, that has got a couple of little bits that have been chipped and broken off, so possibly someone's got a little bit rough when they've gone to adjust it. The variable speed drive unit works really well. The press ticks over really nicely, and like I say, it's got those nice wee features that do make it quite a good wee package, especially if you're going to run it in conjunction with a few things. Okay, so I'll put that bar in. See, there's a valve leaking there a little bit. Let's sorted that out. I can hear a very slight air leak from the back, nothing much. Alright, so I'll run that variable speed, I'll start that up. So there it is ticking over, and that's not quite half speed, so I'll adjust that speed so that's slower, faster, half speed, and full speed there. So I'll run it about just under half speed, so that variable speed unit for the motor seems to be ticking over nicely. I'll bring this down because I have to for it to run, and there's a stroke. So the pneumatic brake on it's working nicely, that's stopping nicely at the top. I'll run it continuously, so you can hear those wee valves, the accessory valves on the side ticking over. So there it is through its strokes. It's nice and positive action, it's braking nicely, it's nice and quiet. Yeah, and it's ticking over good. So that's probably all there is to mention regarding it. Like I say, it's got the variable speed drive. It's got the nice pneumatics, it's got those few safety lock features, it's got an isolating power switch back there and also an emergency stop here. The speed controller will need mounting and just this mesh putting over the guarding to finish that off.